The Arbsession Folding Throwline Cube. This premium throwline cube doesn't just look good, it's built to last. Built for the working arborist, the Arbsession Folding Cube is designed with durability and longevity as top priority. Stay organized with internal yellow cordage loops to terminate throwline ends and prevent tangles. A sewn ladder rack securely stores micro or full-size carabiners, and they stay attached even when the cube is folded. Works big, folds small, opens to a large 16-inch cube, folds into a compact triangle, 2 throw weight pockets, easily stores 200 feet of throwline, fits neatly inside your Arbsession Geartote. Stiffer vinyl Velcro strap for easy folding and transport, stretchy ripstop bottom, durable white canvas sides. The Arbsession Folding Throwline Cube, the best choice for keeping your throwline organized. Get yours today at arbsession.com.